T.30, the latest MetaSystem DIY telematic box, installed in just a few minutes, operates through a user-friendly mobile application, enabling a dialogue between your vehicle and your smartphone. Inside the package you will find the T.30 box and the degreaser wipe. Now let's watch how it can be installed. Follow the vehicle's installation instructions to find the installation area. Clean the area with the degreaser wipe where you will position the T.30 box. Fix the box with the double-sided tape, being careful to place it with the arrow displayed on the box label oriented to the vehicle front. Now, using a common spanner, loosen the positive terminal of the battery. Insert the fork in the clamp with the red sheath and tighten. Repeat the same procedure to the negative terminal. A green LED light will flash to confirm the correct installation of the box. Simple, isn't it? In less than 5 minutes, your system is ready to go.